Hey, what's going on, guys? Reeps here, and today in this video, this is actually a really amazing gameplay. This is my best gameplay so far in Call of Duty Infinite Warfare. In this video, I get a quad deatomizer. I think I get a really fast deatomizer in here too, but I don't know, dude. It's just a quad deatomizer. It's just so good. Quad deatomizer with 160 kills and 10 deaths. Don't judge me if I'm wrong. Um, yeah. I really think this is probably my best gameplay so far. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, if we can smash 5 likes on this video, it'd be very much appreciated. And if you are new, if you could subscribe and see more entertaining videos like this, cause I'm not gonna be uploading on advanced UAV gameplays, because then I'm gonna have to hook up my YouTube and all that stuff, and it's gonna be annoying. And right now I don't even have PlayStation Plus. Right now I'm doing the 2-day free trial thingy. Yeah, I think right here I get like a really fast deatomizer. I don't know how fast it is. A minute and 23 seconds. Um, yeah, yeah. I just and I go on a 58 gun streak and I die sadly. But oh yeah, and all of us combined, we got like what, maybe 9 deatomizers, because I got a quad, my friend got a double, and then another one got double, and then my friend got one, and then my friend got one, and it was just it was so amazing. Yeah, shout out to the people in this video too. Chaos Killed You, go check out his channel, and go check out It Sades, he's amazing too. And check out Baked. I actually don't know Baked's channel, but yeah, and go check out Reply. He's just amazing. So same goes for all of them too. But yeah, I'm gonna end the video right here. Oh yeah, and shout out to Dragon Man. He was the random in our lobby, and he wasn't planting at all. He was trapping with us, and he was a random. I just think that's amazing. I really do. Alright, but if you guys enjoyed this video, please drop a like, and if we can hit 5 likes on this video, it'd be very much appreciated. And if you are new, subscribe. Peace!
Seize, bro. Get out that spot, bro. Get out that spot.
We need to defuse.
Alright. Let's go. Alright, go. Seize, let me get this.
Hold him in the trap. Hold him in the trap. That's all of them. They'll all be in the trap.
Bro, chill. Let me get this. Let me get this spot. Come on.
No!
Please.
Oh my god.
Okay, I can still go
happens
for the
when whole
triple.
team's freaking what?
This is why you guys got it.
I'm screwed. I'm screwed, bro. Seize, bro. I'm kicking you to the party. You're gonna do that again, dude. That's
Sage is the one
not
that
even
made me
listening.
die off my D.
It's
Not
freaking
even
Sage,
listening.
dude. He's
Not
freaking
even
not.
left.
I'm kicking him, bro. Freaking got me killed on 5 out. I said stop shooting, and you still shoot, man.
It's greedy,
Oh my god, get him out of B, dude! I'm trying to go for the quad.
This who got a? You got a triple or what?
I got double already.
Alright, come on.
Get him out! Get him out! Get him out! Get him out!
Oh my god, dude. They're all just camping.
Bro, I'm trying. Bro, where is everyone? Bro, where is everyone? Come on, guys.
Get in
Yo,
B!
you're fine. Shut up. Alright. Alright, bro.
Okay,
let me
now
get
we
that
have B
spot,
down.
okay? Let me get that spot. Hallway, bro. Hallway. Alright, let me get this D-at, please.
I'm fucking 20
Bro, I can't. Everyone's getting killed off, dude.
So hectic, dude.
I know, we had it the first time, man. Alright, Rival, go in the hallway, Big. Go in the hallway.
Oh my
please.
god, I can't because nobody's pushing.
What
Go in the
happens when
hallway,
someone
every-
gets greedy, guys.
I know. All.
But we didn't, like, it doesn't matter. They're not gonna be spawning.
Alright, go in the
on
hallway. Go in the
spot
hallway. Go in the
more.
hallway.
Oh my god, a cookie killed me, dude.
Let's go! Let's go! Timbers, you know what joint I just... Hey, Timbers, you know what game I just joined, bro? Bro, we won by 2 points, nigga. I went 60 and 7.
Get it. Chill. You got freaking rival and me killed because you don't listen.
You already got a double too, Sades.
Like, gosh, man. Like, what do you?
I never got it though.
Before this game, you did.
Greedy, though. That's the thing. You're gonna get a DN eventually. That's what I'm saying. You don't need
Chill,
to ever
man.
get greedy.
Grab the care
Everybody
package.
has
Grab the care
an
package.
idea.
This is what
Whose
happened on
RC8
the
is that?
Purifier. I'm sleep. Please stop. Stop. Come on. Oh my god.
Whose is that? It's ruined.
Oh, rewarding you. Hardcore demolition. Oh no,
You guys trapping them?
I'm attempting.
I'm trying to get over there.
Oh. Who is that right here?
Oh, how? I was on the other side of the pole.
Bro, can I please go for a double, man? Do you? Yes, let me. Alright, yeah. Freaking go get one.
You got one last game, Levi. What are you talking about, dude?
Yeah, let Big get it. Big, how close are you?
I'm not even close. No, not this time we've been playing.
Oh, frick, everything's getting taken, man. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna try to go for a double, bro.
I'm on a 10. I'm on a 10.
Everybody needs to chill.
Oh my gosh, none of you killed
died?
him. I was on a 20.
Hey, this is what he says.
Plant B, plant B.
Help! Come on, bro. Okay, whoever is near B, bro, you're doing a bad job. Like, that's a terrible job. There's no way they're getting around us.
Plant B,
I'll
plant
get my
B.
B. Plant B, plant B.
Oh my god, none of you planting.
Oh my gosh, get this 100, rival, get this 100.
I'm trying to, but everybody's being cancer, dude.
Oh my gosh, this is just falling apart, man. I don't know why. What are we doing wrong?
I don't know, maybe because someone called in their
I know
RC8.
one because
Alright, let's kick your Sage out this party after, dude.
Why? What did I
Actually,
do?
not in my Sage. You're not. Never mind. Sage doesn't do anything wrong with you right now. Before he was, I'm not gonna.
I'm sorry about this too, Barney.
Yup, it's cool, bro. I'm not gonna get mad. You already did. I know. I will. I should go soon.
No!
Oh my god, I
oh
could've
my
got a
God,
triple.
Bro, I was 10 off.
So was
I
I.
was already 10 off. What the fuck was that guy?
I was 10 off again. I could have got a quad.
What the fuck?
How'd you die?
I could have got a quad
Nobody's
already.
watching the fucking trap. Everybody's bitching about kills, but nobody's killing. Like, what the fuck is that?
I'm killing. What are you talking about? I'm like actually.
Oh, we know you killing.
There's enough bitches.
I'm him.
Everybody just chill.
Bro, I can't get any
Please.
kills. I need this triple. I'm getting so much
How
assists.
close are you, rival? How close are you?
I can't
This is why
because
I
I'm
don't
getting
tell. This is why I
assists.
just go. Oh my god.
How close are you, rival?
Oh my
I'm
god.
close. I'm really close.
Get out of here, reply. Dude's using a shotgun on the spawn.
Everybody
Chill, chill, chill.
wanna
I'm
do,
close.
man.
I'm close to a double. I'm close to a double. Please let me get this. My first double in Infinite Warfare. Please.
You're a bot. You're just a bot. If you have to
Yo,
get a
yeah.
double in contract,
No.
Yeah. Pretty much.
bye. I'm gonna let you shine, Jeff. I'm gonna get this.
Just don't plan A. Nobody plan A. We'll get another round.
Get him off dome. Clear off
God,
dome.
everybody get in the trap. Like, where is everybody?
I'm on a ruthless. I'm on a ruthless.
I'm gonna watch the trap. Nobody's in the trap.
You know what they said to me? They're like, PS4 streams and shit. I call
I'm him. Isn't that so annoying? Guys, I'm 5 off, 5 off, 5 off, 5 off.
I know
We get this.
ammo.
Yep. Bro, chill, bro, chill.
Plant.
Don't
Wait,
plant.
no, don't plant. Don't plant.
I got an advanced next round. Don't plant. Do not fucking plant.
No, I rewinded, bro. I hate this score sheet. That score sheet's rigged. Oh, yeah, actually,
Don't even worry.
this is trash, man.
114.
Good shit, rival.
I'm 5
Good
off.
shit,
I'm 5
bro.
100 plus, but okay.
My third. Okay.
Alright, bro. Alright.
Friendly drone support is active. Friendly advanced UAV building. Friendly shot sentry performing. Friendly war.
Get him, corner, he's in the corner, he's in the corner. Get him. Nice.
Okay, well, I'm gonna be close. I'm gonna be like 10 off.
Alright, bro, I'm gonna go to my spot right now.
I got my triple.
Bro, come
We need
on,
to get
dude.
this trap. We need to get it done. I'm 5 off. I'm 5 off, guys.
Let's go. 5 off, he's 5 off. Let me get it, let me get him.
I'm two.
Let him get it in
You
there.
guys are so cute.
This soul, shut up. Please.
We need to defuse that. Someone defuse that.
Alright, where they spawn in B?
3 off.
Freaking, I can't get a double, man.
Stop it, I'm 3 off.
Defuse the bomb. Someone please defuse. Defuse the bomb.
We need someone to defuse the bomb.
I'll defuse
Oh
it,
my
bro.
God.
Oh my gosh.
Like, I'm literally fucking 2 off, and I have to defuse this shit.
I was gonna defuse it.
Yeah.
Bro,
I'm gonna
come
die.
on. Bro, let Big get it, Sage. Stop. I'm kicking you, Sage, dude.
I had you.
This.
Let me get some kills, guys. I'm
Leader's
literally
face.
2
That's a
off.
leader's face. That's a leader's face.
Yo,
Come
chill,
something.
rival. Let me get some kills, bro.
You want some kills, alright. How much are you off?
I'm like fucking 2 off, I believe.
Alright, get him.
Oh.
Good, that's it. Stage off. No! I'm sleep, bro. My career's over.
What? What's wrong?
I'm 5 off now.
My career is over. Come on, bro. Let Big get in the spot, bro. I got you. Who is that? I just saved.
I'm literally 5 off. You saved my life, bro. Thank you.
Look, I'm a real.
3 off. This guy phase shift. I'm 2 off.
Bro,
World record for the
Really,
most
one off,
de-atomizer
one off,
in a
one off.
come
party?
on, Big. Let's go. Get the hallway. Get the hallway. Get the hallway. Get the hallway.
There it is, there it is, there it is. First D-at, first D-at with Igloo Buster. Let's go, baby.
Wait, you guys tell me if I join again and if I get mad.
It's too late. It's too late.
Like, we
Just
all
gotta-
got nukes.
Just kidding.
We all got nukes, guys. Good
I'm just
shit.
saying, if I join again, if I lose,
Bro.
I'm going.
Let me go for the
Oh,
quad.
he left.
Let me go for the quad.
Screech, just don't.
No,
Bro,
then
let me
I
get this,
died
please,
by a
bro. Let me
fucking
get this,
grenade.
please, bro.
This
Let me get this.
grenade,
I'm gonna
dude.
let this grenade by you, please.
There, I got the nuke though. Let's go.
Please don't be greedy, bro. This toll, leave me, bro. Stop. Don't be like that.
Oh my god.
Dude, can I just tweak my D out, man? Please, bro. Please. Just wanna get a
How are
kill
we
with all
being
I have.
mean this though?
You said what?
Alright,
You
go,
said
go,
what,
go,
babe?
go, go.
How are we being mean?
Bro, stop shooting, stop shooting, stop shooting, stop shooting! Oh, spider.
Oh, I know why, babe. I don't spawn time. I'm not spawn time.
Bro, please save, please, bro.
Bro,
Get this double, please.
I was
I'm
playing
begging
Guess
some
you.
what,
greedy
boys?
ass niggas purifier.
Bro,
and
stop
shit.
shooting, stop shooting, stop shooting. Begging you. Hey,
I have a
That's what I'm
quad.
saying. Like the greedy, like that guy.
Plant. Oh crap. Plant, someone plant, please.
Oh, plant the bomb. I literally got killed right as I went to go plant it. Yeah.
Ripperoni.
Good job.
Bro.
Good shit, though. Like, we dropped
Hello?
400.
Yeah.
5?
I'm walking.